So why is GameStop crashing pre-market? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky, and let's talk about this. So as you guys can see, GameStop went from $67.50 per share from the for the aftermarket trading session that we had yesterday. Peaking, I think it was up like 35-40% aftermarket hours. It has given back all of that 40% and is now down 6.7%. after reporting earnings sooner than what was actually expected. Now, again, I can 100% see why GameStop is doing this, and they are doing it simply to look out for themselves. You have to understand, GameStop, based off of recent patterns, has increased over 100%. We've gone from lows of $12 per share to now we were trading at highs of $65 per share. So an insane return. And what they actually did today was they reported worse than expected earnings. So this doesn't surprise me at all. GameStop is a dying company. There's a reason that it's been declining for the past few years, right? So many people have been shorting it. And yes, I mean, regardless if you're part of the movement or not, you have to understand that GameStop just has not been doing well. Today, they posted net sales of $881 million, which is down 29% from the $1.2 billion that they even did in sales last year. So a steeper decline. And they also missed their overall earnings per share as well. One of the biggest reasons that we're seeing so much selling pressure during this pre-market session is the company is trying to take advantage of this huge pump that all of these Reddit traders have factored into GameStop. And this has happened in the past before. This doesn't surprise me that it's happening again. They announced that they are going to be selling 45 million shares, which is more than $900 million. So again, just another friendly reminder that they are doing their part and looking out for themselves. And just imagine 45 million shares being sold at an average price of, especially when it was at $60 per share, you're talking about well over $1 billion. So Roaring Kitty at one point when it was trading at $65 per share was probably at that $1 billion market cap. But now because of this huge decline, we're seeing so much selling pressure as people are rushing in to lock in profits. Now, you guys let me know down in the comment section what you plan to do. And remember, your plan does not have to be my plan. My plan does not have to be your plan. All I ever want to encourage you to do is to look out for yourself. So GameStop is down 10% during this pre-market session. This is not a joke. This is not a drill. This is a huge pullback from being up 40% in the green pre-market to now giving it all back and losing an additional 10%. I mean, we're talking about a 50% drop from the highs of 67 to our current price level. So you guys let me know down below what you guys plan to do. I wish you nothing but the best. I will keep you guys up to date on everything and anything GameStop related. All you have to do is subscribe for updates. I hope that it earned your thumbs up, and I will be live streaming later today. So if you want to tune on in, make sure you guys follow for updates. Take care, team.